Novo is taking the business community by storm. They're boasting a free business checking account with no minimums, free wires, free ACH, credits with LegalZoom if you're creating your company, and the ability to create an online account in minutes. So let's break down this new fintech bank and find out what's up with these angry Redditors. All right, so what's a fintech company? As creator Michael Rangel shares, Novo is a small business platform, and they're not actually a bank, but they are backed by Middlesex Federal, based out of Massachusetts. And this is more common than ever before. Fintech companies are basically filling the gap created by older, stuffy banks that are losing touch with the small business community. What does that to mean? Fintech companies are a lot faster moving than these traditional banks. And as the name implies, fintech, financial technology, they are hyper-focused on using technology to cater more to you, the entrepreneurs and small business community. But there are some cons to these types of banks. The most obvious would be that there's no local branch for you to go into if you are having a challenge. And customer service can be slow to respond, likely because of all the virality, all the buzz that's created when a newer bank like this comes along. But on the positive side, Novo offers a free business checking account with no monthly hidden fees, no minimum balance, and they don't even require a minimum deposit to open the account. You get a physical debit card, unlimited ATM refunds, and immediate access to virtual cards. There's a plethora of software integrations to make things easier for you in your day-to-day. And I really like the free invoicing and budgeting tools. You can send invoices from within the platform to make getting paid a lot easier and streamlined. And you can very easily pay bills. They even make it easy to save for taxes, where you can automatically set aside a percentage of your revenue into what's called Novo Reserves. This makes it really easy to keep a budget. They even have funding options, as low as 1.5% per month, which would be 18% per year. And they have a business credit card on the way. You have to be a customer, and then you can join the wait list for that card. There's a lot of perks that Novo offers you, and they're always adding new partners. Some of my favorites are with services I'm already using, like Stripe. For example, $5,000 is waived in Stripe processing fees. And speaking of Stripe, there's Novo Boost. This is super helpful if you sell anything online because you can actually get your money from Stripe up to 95% quicker than if you didn't have a Novo Business checking account. But they don't just link up with Stripe. You can connect it to Amazon, PayPal, or even Square. And if you have a team, whether they're 1099 or salaried, you get 3 months free with Gusto. Plus, Novo integrates with Gusto and bookkeeping services like Xero. Novo has a 4.4 rating on Trustpilot, and this reviewer states that navigating their platform is a breeze. Despite some mixed reviews on Reddit, Novo, who has over 250,000 customers and has moved over $30 billion of transactions, offers bank-grade security and encryption. This ensures that your information stays safe 24/7. They're also FDIC insured up to $250,000. Their free debit card includes zero liability and MasterCard ID theft protection, meaning your money is in safe hands. And those virtual cards that you can immediately get allow you to shop online safely. They're kind of like a throwaway card. All right, so how does this new business checking account work? You go online, link in the description, and you can apply to open up a business checking account. To apply, you're going to need a social security number, US address, and a real cell phone, not a virtual number. You also need to be in the US. An EIN is needed if you are a corporation or a partnership, but it is optional for LLCs and for sole proprietors. We simply click on Get Started, provide your email and a password, and then follow the prompts. You'll be asked to verify your email address and upload your ID and formation documents, so make sure you have these nearby. Now, Novo says that this process will take 10 minutes, and they were wrong. It actually only took me 6 minutes and 45 seconds. That's pretty quick. You'll be brought to a page that looks like this, and while you're waiting 24 hours to get approved, you can connect an external account if you want to transfer funds to get the account up and running. Overall, the process really was easy. A lot easier than going into a bank and taking hours just to open up an account.